Okay, so this, I was gonna buy this if it went back down to 4 cents. It never did. It had a parabolic move to the upside. It went all the way up to 8.2 cents. That's a new all-time high on XYO. So let's delete. Let's delete that, and we're gonna need to draw a new fib. So from low to high, So from the low, if it will let me do it, the low was at 2.2 cents. Then you went all the way up to 8.8 cents. If you want to remain bullish, let me zoom in a little bit. If you want to remain bullish, you have to hold the 618 here at 3.6. I don't even think you fall below 4 cents, though, because I know that was a major resistance / support. And on top of that, if you go down to the 1 hour chart, when you did have, there was earlier today, you didn't even touch 4 cents as support. You made a higher high, which was around, was that here? No, that's 3.8 cents. You went up a little bit. Maybe that was here. Yeah, I think it was right here at 4.2 cents. 4.2 cents. I don't know why it's being stupid. At 4.2 cents, that was another higher low after you went up and you made a higher low and then you went to the upside. I definitely didn't see 8.2 cents coming. That's a new all-time high by over 20%. And also, now obviously the smaller time frames probably need to cool off. The 15-minute chart does need to cool off. I'm thinking you're going to come back down. So supports to the downside on XYO coin. Let me go back to the daily chart. Supports to the downside. You got the 236 at 5 cents. You have the 0.382 at 4.5. And I don't think you come down to the 618 down here at 3.8. But I would say worst case scenario, 3.6. If you fall below 3.6, this thing's going to probably go back down to at least 3.2, if not 3 cents. But I don't see that happening. That would have to be a massive drop. It did have a huge leg up, so I would not be surprised if you saw 4.5 cents. But if you want to remain bullish, a higher high would be around 4.5. And if you go below the 618, it's going to be pretty bearish. So I don't think that happens, but if it does, the 0.76 is down here at 3.2, so that's probably where you would head to. But I think more than likely you don't fall below 4 cents and probably even put a higher high in at 4.5. That's what I'd be looking for. I'd be looking for a higher high at 4.5, and worst case scenario is 0.76, but I don't think that happens. So that's all I got. I think for right now you cool off. So I'm not even going to talk about upside targets because I just don't think that's realistic. Because if you look at the 1 hour MACD, yeah, well, actually, I'll take that back. The 1 hour MACD is actually just turning bullish now. So I will talk about upside targets. Let me go back to the daily chart. So this was a big time frame for the fibs. Let me do a smaller time frame. I'll use the wicks because it's on a smaller time frame. So the next target for XYO, if you break out above this recent all-time high, is 9.7 cents. If you do it again, you're looking at 11.6, 11.7. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one.